Ever have one of those mornings? Okay, halfway there. Just need to fix this. This is what I have been using for my hair lately. The Lifen SE Light, which I have got from Amazon and I am obsessed. The Lifen SE Light has 3 modes: cool, warm and hot, and it dries hair like a pro. Whether it's a rushed morning or a glam night, Lifen SE Light makes it effortless. So what are you waiting for? You can grab yours from Amazon too and your hair will thank you.